Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign, if I'm King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that, and it look like I'm the only one speaking about human rights violations that's going on in Jamaica. You feel me? And now we have this young daughter that has been violated by the Jamaica Constabulary, whatever effing force. You feel me? Trust me, this is very disgusting and disturbing to watch. This is that Rasta, black, poor people in general is still getting that fight in Jamaica, you know? I don't even know where to begin, you know. I seen a lot of people posting up some Emancipation Day business yesterday. And them now talk about the real issues, you know. Freedom of speech is still being, you know what? Let's listen to what the bubble them have to talk about, and then we'll proceed. Oh, and just in general, people, remember the Cora Gardens incident that happened in 1963, you feel what I'm saying? Where the government of Jamaica basically massacred the Rastafari community and things. So these are indigenous groups to the world, you feel what I'm saying? So to see that this little girl is being tossed around, like, you know what, let's just listen and proceed.
Okay. That's not done.
Mr. Andrew Holness, I'm here today seeking some form justice from you or maybe the state. I may ask your help for doing this. I'm here today because my daughter, Nzinga Kande Skin, she has been victimized by the police, very much victimized. She had some money with the police the other day. She got locked up, she got a court date, she got fined, but because of a misunderstanding, the fine wasn't paid, but she ended up at the lockup, even though eventually the fine was paid and she came out. But Mr. Holness, my problem is, my daughter is 19 years of age. From she born until the 22nd of July, she is a Rasta. She goes relaxed from she born until that day. And she got locked up, and a police corporal down at the Four Pass police station, her name is Constable Michelle, she trimmed my daughter's locks. I mean, I like to know the reason why. I mean, I ask me that like some justice. Me can't live with this, I mean, I'm going to live with this. This is not in the 60s. Rasta have contributed so much to society. Why are we still being stigmatized? Why did this lady cut my daughter locks? Me I beg you, please, me I ask you to help me to get some justice. Me can't live with this. My daughter go crazy. My daughter is going crazy. Me I ask for some justice. Me need some justice.
Okay, Mr. Prime Minister, these police officers, they are acting as if they are so much rights and nobody else have rights. Only the police have rights. Because I was coming from school one afternoon, sitting in a taxi with about 4 other persons. 2 police officers came and said they want to remove one man out of the taxi. And he have a pepper spray. Because the man was defiant, he pepper spray. In the car, pepper spray. In the car. I was there standing. I got so upset because I had on my mask. I was not breaking any law, any rule because they said we're supposed to wear a mask. I had on my mask and the man never have on a mask. I just pepper spray in the car. So I was there upset and talking for my right because I know my right as a human. And the police officer claimed that I disrespected him. So he was going to fine me. He was going to charge me. While I was there, he handcuffed me. I was there. Can't see out of my eye because they pepper spray me. Pepper spray burning me on my hands, in my eyes, irritating my eyes.
Now go back through all of that. You need to talk about how you then trim your locks in a today Jamaica.
Well, listen, I am so, I am so mad. I am traumatized because of the situation. I'm feeling as if I have no right. I want justice out of it. I'm 19 years of age. I have cut my ear for some silly reason. You don't have any reason to cut my ear. Right now, I'm going through so much trauma. I don't understand this. I do not understand why this lady have to cut my ear. Is my ear a problem? Is my ear a problem? God, she not have no right to cut me ear. No right she not have to cut me ear. And then after she cut me ear, she have to behave as if she have right. So I want to know now if only police have rights and civilian do not have any rights. Or me as a Rastafarian do not have any right at all. Because I see inmates in there have a long braid reach them down here and I don't see them go and cut her ear. But me will come in and a sister locks and an extension me put on and locks me having and you cut me ear. I want to know the reason. Because when me ask her say why she cut me ear, she said, do not ask me anything, and she kissed her teeth. Bring me to the cell and lock me up. So I need answers. Me need answers. Me need justice. This not right. This no right. This is not right. This is not right. You just to all me feel on my perspective, to all me and look on it, me just feel like as if I'm nothing or nobody. Because you cut me ear for no reason. You can't explain to me why you cut me ear.
You take a part of my identity. Why?
She has taken so much things from me. She take my joy, sanity, everything. She took a lot from me. May I tell you? My ear is a part of me. A woman's ear is her beauty. And you take away so much from me. A woman's ear is her beauty. You take away so much from me. Why? What reason you have to cut me ear? And you have to behave as if you don't care. As if you can't do anything and you can't get to it. And you can't do anything and you just go so.
My heart full. God knows my heart full. Why? Why this? Corporal punishment is something where you say you want to cut out or you want to get rid of. But me I tell you, Mr. Holness, me I tell you the truth where God love. If me did go on the station and my daughter tell me say the police them beat her, I mean have more of an understanding because me know say when she gets angry, sometimes she behave away. But come on, man, you cut her locks, you take away her identity, you try to trample on her character, you play mind game with her. You don't even know the situation or the state of my daughter's mind or her well-being, and you cut her locks. You know where you do to her. My daughter went through traumas already where she tried to kill herself. And you come bring back my daughter to a state as this. Come on, man. We need some form of justice and we need some answers. If me don't get an answer for this, you come me think me know me go mad. And when me say mad, me talk about literally mental mad. Because it's a feed for my sanity. Why you do this? Why you do this? Mr. Prime Minister, please me ask you to help me get some justice from this country.
Yeah, well, people, you have different types of Rastas, and these are the bubbers, you know. Them wear the turban on them head and them keep the Sabbath on the sat there and things I think. But it's all Rastas that's being targeted, you know, poor black people that's being targeted. And this is why I posted on my IG yesterday this caption, emancipate your mind from mental slavery. Bob Marley and others were telling us, but y'all, you know, guess we gotta wait another couple thousand years for some white man to fall out of the sky and save us, or we can get up and stand up for our rights. I also made this caption, you know, boom, any politician saying happy emancipation/independence day in Jamaica is a liar, and any slave descendant saying the same have house Negro mentality. You know, in this day, y'all should be making videos about not being free. Freedom of speech was violated the other day. Don't forget. And boom, look what happened the day after. Other human rights are being violated, you know, and Uno want to come crucify me, the messenger, over my opinion. You see the logics? Anyway, people, I was just giving you this update. Hopefully this video can go viral. It's not the mix-up I'm looking for, but it is what it is, you know. Bless.